CJ. Today I want to come to you with my affordable drugstore PM or nighttime routine. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. I've had several requests to do a nighttime routine using drugstore items, and I'm like, of course, because I use drugstore items anyway. I have some high-end products that I do use, but I also use drugstore items, especially now with jobs being the way they are. Money is kind of scarce, and you want to save some money. This is not the time to actually really go and splurge. You want to really kind of save and budget. Well, I have a skincare routine that, budget friendly, anyone can use, and this is really especially for mature dry skin or mature skin in general. Lately my skin has been in between, like combination, okay? It's not as dry as it usually is, and I'm getting a little oily right in the T-zone area. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you my PM or nighttime routine. The first thing that I start off with are makeup wipes. I use these. I like to actually just use these to start, to remove my lipstick, my eye makeup, and to really start loosening my eyelashes. So because I use a cleansing oil, and I do not want to just have everything all over my face, So I start off with one of these, and I just add a little bit of my coconut oil just to really, make it a little bit more pliable and easy and smooth on my eyes, removing this eye makeup. And I just go right over the lashes. And my eyebrows, all this little stuff come off. This is the first thing that I do. one of my favorite toners of all times. If I use toners, this is the one I use. I rarely use toners. I used to a while ago, but recently I've been really getting into them, and I like this toner. This is one of my favorite ones. I do not use anything else because other toners strip my skin of natural oils, and I do not like that. So this is the one I like. Dickinson Witch Hazel Hydrating Toner with Rose Water. Alcohol free. After I use my toner, then I like to use my retinol. This is a retinol from Walmart, actually. I found this. I've been using this for years. Like, this is my first entry of retinol. I started using it. I found it in Walmart. It is the Advanced Clinicals Retinol Anti-Wrinkle Cirm. It says helps fight the look of wrinkles. It has aloe vera and green tea in this as well. And I think this is $6 in Walmart. Let me just show you right here. And I have other retinols that I use. And then when I run out, I always go back to this until I order more of whatever. So, you know, I use this all the time. All the time. I love it. It really works. I'll see results. Depending on my skin, once I use the retinol and I just really feel how my skin feels, if it feels dehydrated as like it needs some more moisture, I will go in with a moisturizer, and I'm using the Olivallade of the Firming Night Cream. I like this night cream. I think this is $11, maybe $12. And again, I just apply this on in an upward motion. You do not want to ever pull down or rub down. You always want to, rub in an upward position. Upward position, upward position. Get your neck. Last thing that I like to use is an eye cream. I have several drugstore eye creams that I use, but the two that I use at nighttime, I use two. Sometimes I use one, sometimes I use two. Tonight my eyes look a little tired. I've been up really working late doing things, so I'm going to use the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream because I'm starting to see little fine lines right in this area. And the Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Cream with hyaluronic acid in it. Just want to show you both of these. I'm going to start off with the Neutrogena. I just put a little bit on my ring finger, and that's enough for both eyes. And this is how I apply my eye cream. I think this Neutrogena eye cream cost maybe $12. And I think this one maybe $8 if I'm not mistaken. This is my nighttime PM nighttime anti-aging routine. If you have mature skin like I have mature skin, then you want a skincare routine that is dedicated to your skin. Now I have dry mature skin, so I look for products that's hydrating, moisturizing, anything for thirsty skin. If you have oily skin, then you may want to look for things that's oil free, but you still need a cleanser, maybe an oil-free cleanser. Soapy products are good, but you do not want to strip all of the natural oils from your skin to really have a balance, where you're cleansing your skin and you're hydrating your skin as well, because you need hydration. If you do not get enough hydration, it can produce more oil with your skin. So in normal combination skin, you're battling a little bit of both. You start off with the basics and find out what your skin like, what it doesn't like, this is where you start ground zero. So anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. As always, I hope this video was helpful when trying to find a great, affordable skincare routine for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.